Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to delete a branch in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, we will need to actually download Visual Studio Code through our browser. So go here, browser, and then go search for Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you have written Visual Studio Code, not Visual Studio like I did here, because this is a completely different software. So for example, if you want here, you can click here to open it, but let's go exactly through here, code, and here it is. So this is the official website, so you can download it from here, download for Windows, and basically if you don't have Windows, you can download for macOS or Linux. Now, after we've done with this step, please guys, make sure that you have installed this git distributed even if your workflow isn't. So this is like the description of it. So make sure to go to git scm.com and then download it for your Windows or whatever file you have. So after that, all you need to do is go here, and after you click here, you must have it something around this. So it is pretty simple. Now as you can see, I am on the main like branch. So in order to actually delete a branch, for example, let's create a new one. So create a new branch. Here we go. Please provide new branch name. Hi tutorial. And let me just delete the name or something like that. Something like that. Okay, fatal head did not comment and Brazil cannot create from here. So I need to actually add it from another place. But anyway, I have some bugs in my Visual Studio Code, but overall, how you can delete it, just go to your keyboard and click on Shift, Control, and P. So Shift, Control, P. This page shall be open. So here search for branch, and here you will find this get delete branch. So all you need to do is delete the branch, and as you can see here, it will be deleted, guys. So guys, that's how you can delete a branch in Visual Studio Code. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.